Welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever sat in a classroom, looked around, and thought, why does everyone get it, except me? That sinking feeling. The voice in your head that whispers, you're not smart enough. You'll never make it. You start comparing your marks, your memory, your speed, yourself. And slowly that spark inside you, the one that used to be curious, hungry, and alive, it starts fading. But listen carefully. That voice in your head was never yours. It was given to you by people who didn't understand how the human mind truly works. Let me tell you something powerful today. Being smart is not a gift. It's a decision. And it's easier than you've ever been told. Since childhood, we've been fed a dangerous lie. That intelligence is something you're born with. That it's fixed. That some people are just made for success, and others are not. We were never taught how to think, just what to memorize. They measured our worth through marks, not through curiosity. They rewarded speed, not depth. And when we struggled, they labeled us slow, average, not bright. But the truth? The truth is buried deep beneath years of damage. Science says your brain is not a hard rock, it's clay. It can be shaped, can be trained. You can build intelligence. Yes, build it like a skill. So if it's not just about being born brilliant, what makes someone smart? It's not their genes. It's their habits. It's not magic. It's method. Here's what the so-called smart people do differently. They ask questions even when they look silly. They make mistakes, but they study them. They read, not to show off but to grow. They reflect, every single day. And they stay curious, no matter how old they get. You see, they're not gifted. They're relentless. They've trained their brains like athletes train their bodies. Deliberately. Consistently. They know one powerful secret. Your mind is a garden. You grow what you plant. If you plant excuses, you'll grow failure. If you plant questions, you'll grow clarity. If you plant action, you'll grow intelligence. You don't need 10 hours a day. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to start with 3 powerful habits. Number 1. Learn for 30 minutes a day, no excuses. Pick something, a book, a podcast, a documentary. Not for school, not for others, for you. Every minute adds a layer to your understanding of the world. That's real intelligence. Number 2. Write or reflect every night. Ask yourself, what did I learn today? Where did I struggle? How can I think differently tomorrow? Writing strengthens memory. Reflection sharpens awareness. Number 3. Do one mentally difficult task daily. Solve something. Debate something. Try to explain something. The harder it feels, the more your brain is growing. Just like lifting heavier weights builds muscle, deep thinking builds intellect. And here's the most powerful thing of all. You already have the potential. Right now. As you are. You don't need to wait. You just need to believe that change is possible, and take the first step. You don't need to impress anyone. You don't need to prove anything. You just need to become curious about life again. Stop saying, I'm not smart enough. Start asking, how do I get better? You'll be amazed at what happens when you shift your mindset from fear to growth, from doubt to curiosity, from comparison to focus. One day someone will ask you, how did you become so